How to find order number on AliExpress. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your order number for tracking or a dispute in just a seconds. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, open the AliExpress app or go to the aliexpress.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the home page, tap onto the account section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on View All. Find the item you are looking for. Then tap on it to open the order details page. Your order number will be displayed at the top or near the order summary. It's usually a long number starting with 80 or 81. And that's it. That's how you find your AliExpress order number fast, quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button. And also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Happy shopping, and I will see you in the next video.